any video because I for Sweatcoin. My videos be about Sweatcoin. My about 4 videos about Sweatcoin, but still an amount for TRC. Me Sweatcoin requirements na me first convert ya $1 na mai. Me tade no come use me Sweatcoin na tade no kwa na. Requirements na me sabe first aka ade no. Inti na me de sa video we e de abram no. Inti ni video me gidi say video bitimi aye last video ame about Sweatcoin. Inti pacho hwe video we atawaso yi na de me bia no. What me follow step by step. Se do bitimi ate Sweatcoin na asiye de makabia no se me boss bi ma besi so se de wo betimi ate asiye na de bia wo ye bia no unimade na wo ye no. Enti se si out here on Sweatcoin na mabie no na ehwe a unse next step sama kono me record video wi anopa 428 steps sama kono dan mu na me nanta hwe bigita me phone na makosi 66 steps no ntu hwe haya unse catch me say influencer program say immediately amedika catch us opeso kan influencers no ho a we so invite nipa 20 pe nipa 20 pe nti wo kwa sorry nipa 20 okwa adwuma wo de okwa se link na nipa 20 pe nipa 20 pe ba meaning process e kwa no e bia no matwe ba no come number nipa 10 ba o de nipa 20 target nipa 20 pe no omume register na won kan influencers no keke nipa 20 pe nti e den kra adwuma sorry obinya nipa 20 no wo se link ne nipa 20 no mu be register automatically no Sweatcoin for memo abeka influencers no ho to won say wo dashboard ha no ubi Sweatcoin na wo sign in the last one ha no last one and almost omo the influencers side aka ho ha say nti e ba home ha omo ka say ye influencers competition bi ekoso ha influencers nti say why invite nipa 20 a ubetimi aka say influencers we ho nti say ahwe the other first e wo isi a o lead bebre o invite be 28,000 almost at 11 July na see no omo kwa si first August na sa competition we no public me kokko read instruction about sa competition we no o we ni ade obinya nyina be ma say first place wo be the first no binya iPhone 30 o ma iPhone 30 no and be ma $1,000 no the business kama pay 80 million no 81 million and that's 80 million na second binya Apple Watch and so me ma e be 27 million na third place no binya $200 and now me ma AirPods Pro. What I say, in a fourth will be $100, in a fifth so be $100, in a sixth so be more and 3,000 in the total so open so come on one say my swipe the abaha or money be back home. Now your question I say unse me 1225.64 Sweatcoin and I'm what to see to we be say na Sweatcoin Coinbase no for so transfer the $1 and the pardon na adwen you almost say okay we in sa Sweatcoin we no we be $1,000 so Coinbase na me for so withdraw that be only $1,000 Sweatcoin unya Sweatcoin we are Sweatcoin we are wanya no do betimi I say so when inviting the pabe 20 na mo work influencers no ho nti ba memla me influencers na me nche wade bi wo ha se sisi a wo hwe a wo say me wo $10 ametimi I withdraw me wo $25 ametimi I withdraw nti sia me bo $25 ma mo nhwe me previous video my video a metimi withdraw $200 na $25 to betimi kwesa video sisi me kase me withdraw $25 here omo beti 90 invoice requirements so be withdraw $25 no 90 invoice and na ombesi ate 450 Sweatcoin it meaning say so we invite nipa mo mundu ebi mo invite nipa 80 now Sweatcoin 190 amanabo ebi 450 na just say $25 no undu ye so we invite nipa no money be 90 say the name no betimi atali and say no betimi ade I withdraw nti se sia no so Sweatcoin na person withdraw ska o Sweatcoin kwa na uni invite be brave so betimi meet sa requirements we are ultimate withdraw but se sia no say $10 na person me withdraw we bought $10 no so and no betimi invite 85 na requirements ni we need 425 pacho ya say nti no so na requirements no nti se sia o Sweatcoin na means the money can actually move Sweatcoin no se wo a ultimate withdraw no betimi dey atono nti uba omo shop ya marketplace for shop na no say was hard dey wa free nano spray eno no the price ni 100 Sweatcoin nti ubo eno so a abon se na no spray na wo ha ti sa na no spray we no the price ene wo ho no nti wetimi use Sweatcoin de ato ota o mete sa se o twiska no video ba kona me ya na me twi $225 so o hwe ya on said o me no na afi o mod link bi aba na wako website na wako pick coupon code no na wa fele address no na for my de mod ya brow nti ade bi a e wo product ni mo wa ene shipping no mama watwa shipping cost no what ya say ba product na de all Sweatcoin na ato patcho ya tase okay oba marketplace ya e wo no mo bi wa betimi ato ye wo chain wo ha betimi ama customize no mo bi na day in day out no omo de no mo bi de e count ni time betimi be monitor nti ade we metim say cool o phone kita o nante omo ma coin ubiti na totototo no mo ship de abra I think say cool na say o time so a e bia wadan fu bi na akopel link na man no gi no phone na o de register na unya invite usika ne so a na wa withdraw sika na ye hwe ha say ya me bossa info na wa hana boss your current invite balance is the number of a verified invites people who downloaded the app from your link and started working nti so be you so link no e de download the app na for sign up na for start up no start na o you Sweatcoin na bi on nante bi abe 100 steps krana na for mo the invite na be abe verify no mo de aka ho patcho ya tiase e na wo ba se aso a o say join influencer community no mo de wo be ko mo page wo o mo de wo ba mo page wo a obetimi download sa normal we wo ho no na watimi de asend am amanfo na timi convince amanfo no mo use link na de register at the same time say video na person wo ya o boss wa o me ma content o me boa ma sama di bi obetimi da to video no so a obetimi de nyeska and I say social media so na e bia o person create with link na to ha obo social media no so a wetin that to ho na oso watimi amanfo watimi use link no na for motima be register na wonya invite and I say obenya sika me gidi pass video be boa wo ade bi ya wo hwehwe fa Sweatcoin we ho bia no me sure say na video de ma clear what ya see pa yi follow taking tree wo Facebook YouTube and subscribe channel no me the videos be brow me the videos e ho hia wo Ghana ha bia wo ya ade bia unim ade na wo ye no